got the brand new limited edition LS Prize, Deluxe Presents Prize. You get 2 dolls in there, and it looks like a little present box with the little ribbons. I'm gonna grab my scissors.
It's so cute.
Yep. And let's get right into opening this. I gotta be careful. Don't wanna get hurt. Always make sure you have adult supervision when you use scissors. Right, Mom?
Right, so maybe we can just pull the bow. Well, actually, there you go.
Is it? Oh no. I can't because there's
There's a plastic you have.
And whenever I use my scissors, my mom is here and she always watches me. Just to make sure I'm safe. So safety first. This is a lot of stuff to cut. You gotta be careful you don't cut the bow. Ooh. We're opening it. We're opening it. So much ribbon. I'm gonna cut the tag off so it's not in our way.
Oh my God, that looks like one of those Victoria's Secret gift sets when I get my perfume.
Victoria's Secret is literally her favorite store, by the way. It does. All right, let's go with this. It looks like a perfume bottle. Silver screen. Oh God.
Is that supposed to be like glitter? Is that slime?
No, it's like jelly. It smells weird. Do you want to touch it?
I don't know what that's for. It's just
it's jelly.
It's you're just supposed to put your finger on it and get the glitter on. It's like a glitter,
there's a toy
like a body glitter. I don't think you're supposed to take it out.
There's a toy inside.
Oh, there is. Okay.
Yeah. We got a sleeping mask. What does it say? Hashtag mood. It's like kitty ears.
Alrighty, so put that there.
God.
All
There's
right.
more.
Is there anything else in there?
Yeah. Oh, there's a bottle.
Cool.
There's glitter all over my hands.
That's fine.
It's like a little perfume bottle. That's super cute. I love
Definitely messy. I don't like it already.
it. Can you hand me the towel? But we got this little bottle. I'm getting
Alright,
glitter
let's
everywhere.
keep going.
Oh boy. Everything's gonna be so glittery. Thank you. I'm just gonna have to wash this towel real good. Let's. Ooh. We got purple tears. I'm opening it on this just in case there's like. Ooh. Oh goodness. Woohoo! Party! Might as well, right?
No.
What? She's like, why did I buy this toy? Aren't you? It's like little heels. Isn't this so cute? It's so adorable.
Yeah, it's cute. So what they did here is they're hiding all these surprises in these different little
This looks
things
like
you gotta
a nail
open and make a
polish
mess
bottle.
with to get the accessory out,
Which is not her favorite.
it's not parent friendly.
Look, it's like a little nail polish. And we got these little kitty boots. It's like kitty ears. And they're purple and they're glittery. This is like a little nail polish. It's quite cute. So, she's like, this is not parent approved. Oh,
So
more.
it looks like they're gonna camp. The way they have this set up
Like,
here.
yeah.
Looks cute.
All right, last prize. She's like, I am not having it with all this glitter. Is this a skirt? I'm gonna see if there's anything else in there. No. Is there? No. It's a skirt and a top.
How cute.
That's adorable. Look at this glitter. This is so cute. All right. Next. Okay, let's move that.
Alright, I'll move that to the side.
I'm just opening it over that so I don't get
Clean it
stuff
up.
everywhere. Just like, yeah. Surprises! 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 Let's open it. Okay, there we go. Is that a wig? Whoa.
Yeah, it is.
It's like plastic Lego. Oh, that's so cute. What's on it? Is that like paper? See, it's like crumbly. I think it's like paper. We can take that off. But that's so cute. I love it. Next. This is big. Oh, it's a bigger wig. Oh, that's so cute. I love the purple color. So adorable. Okay. We got all of this stuff. Let's see, there's tape. So I gotta use my scissors. Okay, we got this, a little sign. It says dreamin' big.
What is this?
Oh, look.
Oh, this is those are stickers, and then this is a sticker
I
as
could put
well.
this on my iPad. True. So you can put it on like stuff. No, I'm gonna put that on my case for my LOs. So we got like a fuzzy heart, like this hair thing, like with the hair, the curlers. You have a towel and these like cucumber eyes with eyelashes. What's in here? Let's move this.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a bed. It says like OMG, JK.
Oh my gosh. Way more surprises.
Oh. I thought it was gonna be a bath bomb. Look at your mattress. Is that what you thought?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, we're gonna have to be messy. No. It's a glittery robe. So cute. Next. Is that a bowl of popcorn?
Or that looks like
Wait.
cheese puffs.
It does. Oh, that's cute.
That is.
Wait, no, we can't do that. This is a doll and this is a doll, so we're gonna use that last. What's this? What is this? Oh! Wow. That's what it is. Next, we got these stands. So what you can do with the stands is you see those little holes on the bed? You can put it on the bed. And then you'll see what I'm gonna do with that in a second. Woo. Oh my goodness. I'm shocked. This is adorable. Her hair. What do you think? It's cute?
Mm-hmm. She's really cute.
Yeah, so her earrings are like soft. It's adorable. Yep. Next. There we go. I was like, I can't open it. Oh!
Oh, she's so cute.
Look! It's like a mini her.
They look so beautiful.
We gotta get them dressed.
Alrighty, let's get them dressed.
Let's go. Alright, this is the grand finale. We've got both of the girls dressed. I know the baby is not supposed to have shoes, but I could not make it stand without shoes. So, yeah. She's looking super cute. She has her little face mask that says #mood and her robe with some popcorn for later when they get a little sleepy and they can go to bed.
And what are their names?
Slumber Queen and Lil Slumber Queen.
Oh, how cute. They're really adorable.
Yep. So overall, I think this toy is very fun. It's a bit messy. Do you think it's parent approved?
I'll just say yeah, sure.
Yeah. So it's parent approved. It's definitely 100% kid approved. I give it 1,000,000 out of 10. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!